Hey everyone, I'm Nicole here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this Dell wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Here it says wireless keyboard and mouse, and here we have some information and barcodes. Here we have all of the information that needed. Here it says plug and play reliable wireless. Here it says model number and what are included in the box. Let's open the box. Here we have a groove, and we will lift it up like this, and here we have the keyboard and the mouse. Inside the box we have this quick start guide. Let's open it, and here it says how to insert batteries and how to connect to computer. Next we have a safety information guide. As you can see, this is the keyboard that we get in the box, and we get this receiver. It is a small one, as you can see. After removing the cover, you can see this Dell logo. This is how the receiver looks. This is the mouse that we get. Here we have the on-off switch and battery compartment and optical sensor. And we get this AA battery for the mouse. These AAA batteries goes into keyboard. When we turn on this mouse, we can see the light. That's for now guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Subscribe to Nicole Tech to watch more videos like this, and have a nice day guys.